It's okay lang. Fortune lobster.
Fortune lobster. Wow, that's so cool. Wow. This actually looks so disgusting. Fishy.
Ano?
So cool. Ah, it's so cute. Hello. Oh my god. Dogs. Wait, where's the fish? Oh, that's a secret room, and these are all the pictures. It actually looks so disgusting. I'm gonna buy a new fish. Let's see.
Makulit ka.
I'm gonna buy a new fish. Let's pick a fish.
Hindi, mas maganda yung kay Lily. Mahal yun, 500. Anong 500? Sa libo ilagad yun.
Yung nalagyan. Kasi ang inilagay doon yung monkey ano eh.
I want to buy it's ano na.
I wanna
Ako rin
buy.
dyan.
I can pick.
Ate, magkano?
150, ma'am.
It's so hard. It's so
Ayan lang, 150.
Hindi naman marunong mag-alaga yan.
Si Frank paglilinisin ko.
Oo, tanongin mo muna.
Hindi ko na siya tatanong, ilan siyang choice.
Bro, this is.
Pili ka na na
Wait.
isan mo. Kasi pipili, may napili na ako. Tapos pag uwi niya, 3.
Okay, this is mine. No, actually, this looks more good. No, this is actually. It's so nice. Wait.
Yan, patatago mo.
Ate,
Wow.
hanggang kailan siya pwedeng nakagano?
Mga 5 to 8 hours naman na.
5 to 8 hours, okay. Mamaya na nga pagbalik.
Ano
para
mas
sa-
maliit? Maliit.
Anak, pakibilisan.
Okay, so this is what I picked.
Sige, ma'am, yan na lang. Tsaka food, ma'am, no? Ito, ma'am.
That's so cute. As you can see, there are also some fishes here. It's this, and then these are more fishes. Wow, there's so many fishes. Ooh,
Yan o, yung flower.
that is so cool. I wanna buy that, but it's free. There's also some rats. I do not know what that is. Wow, that's so cool.
Ayun o, oo.
Yeah.
Ah, diba?
There's chicken.